In Kotlin, float and double are data types used to represent floating point numbers, which are numbers with decimal points or fractions. I'll start with the float. The float data type represents 32-bit floating point numbers, which are used for single precision floating point calculations. It can store values with fractional parts but has limited precision compared to double. The float type is indicated by the letter F at the end of numeric literal. For example, let me create a val named as myFloat, and it's of type float equals to 3.14159. Don't miss to include letter F at the end of the value. The double data type represents 64-bit floating point numbers, which are used for double precision floating point calculations. It can store values with greater precision and wider range than float. The default floating point literal without any suffix is interpreted as a double. To create a double, I'll start by val or var my double, infer the data type, which is of type double, equals to 2.7, and you can specify the decimal part. Here, you don't specify D or F or any letter, so the default floating point literal without any suffix is interpreted as a double. When you create any decimal number without specifying F, it will be considered as a double.